Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Molly and here we do sewing, crafts, and fun. Today I have come up to my sewing room for the first time in ages and it is in bad shape. So we are going to do a deep clean and get everything sorted out and pretty. Let me take you for a little tour around. I can show you what I'm talking about. So I was making scrunchies a while ago and these little toy dinos that I thought I might sell for some of my toy markets. I didn't really like how they turned out though. Like, I just could not get the face right. So I only ended up bringing one of these with me and he did not sell. So I'm not sure if we're gonna do that again. I have the fabric all over the ground. My ironing board is still out. This basket here is a bunch of stuff that I've been meaning to bring up here. This is my new serger that I just got for Christmas and I am so excited. And then we've got a bunch of clothes that either need to be altered or put away or turned into something else. Piles of scrap fabric. And then over here, I don't know where that belt came from. We've got my sewing machine and this whole area could just stand to be a little bit more organized. I was feeling a little bit low today, so I think this might be a good way to like just get some freshness in the area, making me feel a bit better. Let's get started. My plan is sort of to pick a corner and then go around the room cleaning, and then we'll do some more like fiddly organization things once we've got everything off the floor and it looks prettier. But this is where we're starting. Over here we have everything that I have for sale on my Poshmark, some things I need to put on my Poshmark, and then this is a big thing of stuff that I've been meaning to bring up here. I also have a set of organizing drawers, which I am going to like start putting works in progress or things to sell on my Poshmark in, so it's a little bit tidier and not just like stuffed in this corner. If you want to shop my Poshmark, it's linked down below. Take a gander. I sell everything really cheap. It's mostly just me wanting to get things out of my house. Alright, so I got all my Poshmark clothes into the bin and I'm so happy about that. They fit so nicely. Look at that! And there's still space for some other things that I need to add onto Poshmark, so that's gonna be great. I also have this bin here. It is full of vintage hats, and I used to be very into vintage clothing. I think if you've been following the channel for a while, you probably know this. I used to dress vintage all the time, and I had a lot of fun with it, but I don't anymore, and can't see myself wearing them. They're all pretty cute. I don't know if I should donate them or if I should and like have it be like, oh, somebody found something special at the Goodwill, or if I should put them on my Poshmark. So I think I'm gonna ask Kate and Kyle what their opinions are, but I know that I want this box. I really would just kind of like to have them gone. I've had them for a long time, so I feel like I'm leaning more one way than the other. I'm trying to think if there's any that I would like to keep. It's always nice to have something like this around for a little costume. This one I really like. There's some like these which have the little veil. It's kind of hard to see, but it's very cute. It's just like not the aesthetic that I go for anymore, and I honestly think if I tried to wear one of these older style hats out nowadays, I'd probably just wouldn't feel like me. Right now I'm going to take them out of this box, get them in a bag, so that we can keep cleaning. Very cool stuff. Just not my vibe anymore. I did a video on all these hats, showing off my hat collection. I will link that up above if you want to take a look at all of these in more detail. Alright, now I'm going to take this big laundry basket of things I have from my room and get out any of the items that I brought up here so that I can mend them. And I'm going to put them in this tub that the hats used to be in. Alright, I gotta take a quick break to get my car to the mechanics. My dad's free to drive over with me so that I can get back home. But I have all of the to mend clothing in their box. We're probably going to be adding more to that. I feel like I've made more of a mess than when I started, but this is the process. We're getting organized. I have decided I am just going to donate the hats. I don't want to take the time to list them all. Alright, see you back in a bit. It's been a minute, but I'm back. My friend Kai is coming over today so that we can alter some pants. And the studio is still a mess. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of tidying before she gets here. Maybe like pick up the floor a bit. And then we'll do some in-depth cleaning once we're done. New corner. Behind me I have a giant pile of stuff. It all needs to be organized. And to be honest, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with all of these. I just don't know if I have like good storage. I do have a file cabinet over here that I've been using just as a chest of drawers. So that's an option. But there's just like a lot of little things that I might need to either donate or clear away. And then some things that maybe I don't really want to work with anymore. Like this little bit of fabric, it's very pretty print. I've been making things out of this for a long time, but it's a polyester blend and I have just been having trouble with this one. So I think that I am going to donate. Ooh, getting ready to donate things. Oh baby. Okay, we got a big white piece of cotton. That's good. We're gonna fold this up and put it away. I think I need to take one of these drawers in this file cabinet over here and make it for fabric pieces. All the fabric I have up here is in this little coffee table, and as you can see, it's busting out because it's too full. So we'll put that there. Oh, found another tape measure. This one has been chewed through by my dog, so I think we're gonna throw that away. This I found at my thrift store, and it was like $2. Oh, and it says Eugene or Marion on it, on the bottom, in pencil. Anyways, I haven't used it yet because it's just been chucked in that corner. I'm gonna find a place for this. I'm really conflicted about my pattern collection right now. My least favorite part of sewing is cutting out patterns. And of course, that's the first thing you need to do when you are sewing. I think that's a big reason why I haven't done as many sewing projects this year. A lot of the patterns I have are vintage style, and I don't wear vintage style clothes every day anymore. I did do a whole video going through my pattern collection, and you can check it out here above. It was a really fun experience, and I got it all organized, and it's still organized like that, and I haven't really made any of the dresses. So, I don't know. I want to keep them because like I spent so long collecting them all. I have found a pile of t-shirts that I wanted to turn into a t-shirt quilt. So I'm gonna fold those. One of Kyle's sweatshirts. I have made a t-shirt quilt before too. I made one for my dad with all of his shirts from his old like runs and stuff, and I think this is like such a fun way to reuse t-shirts that you don't wear anymore. Oh my gosh, this one I wore non-stop when season 3 of Stranger Things came out. This was like a collab they did with the Baskin-Robbins ice cream store. You can see Stranger Things is happening at Baskin-Robbins. But oh my gosh, I loved the like aesthetic of that ice cream shop. This is a sweater. That was probably for Goodwill or something. And as I am looking through this now, I don't think we're gonna have enough t-shirts in here to make a t-shirt quilt unless I do a bunch of patches made out of like the other parts of the shirts, which we can do. But I also know that Kyle was gonna clean out his t-shirts soon. That will add more to this. I guess I'll just put it back in the bag and then push those towards this corner. And I just have to be sure to actually make it soon. Oh, this bag is from Joanne. Rest in peace, queen. still so sad about Julia's closing. I'm not gonna be over it anytime soon, I'll tell you that much. I do have 2 more t-shirts to add to this. Personally, I don't feel like I'm very good at keeping things organized. I'm one of those people who has a lot of stuff, and I really get guilty when I try and get rid of things. Tub of random things, random craft supplies, hair clips, styrofoam balls from making ghosts, fabric, corset boning, trim. We're gonna put this bias tape that I have loads of in here, and my glue gun. Friend Sarah got me this cute little bag to store my glue gun in. Okay, t-shirts are going in this corner. T-shirt quilt will be made this year, mark my words. This is my coffin picnic basket. Oh, it's got a giant pin cushion in it, a tape measure, nail file, and a bunch of things of thread. So, pin cushion can go on the table. Thread I'm gonna put on this thread rack here. This can go in the house somewhere for picnics, but I don't know where. I've dug in more to this corner, and I started throwing clothes around and realized I wasn't filming. So, we have a few more items to mend. I did find a couple of things that I'm gonna try and sell on Poshmark. I have these 2 dresses. This one's super cute. It's from Old Navy. It's cotton. It's got a ruched back and pockets. So that's nice. I really liked this. My only issue with it was that the waist was way too high for me. Didn't just look quite right. I find that a lot of dresses hit me, like with the waist, will hit me like in the upper rib cage where my waist is down here. This is a pink lace dress that I've worn a couple times and I liked it a lot, but I just can't see myself wearing it again. So I've taken in the sides of it. I'm gonna take those stitches out and then I'll post it, just so that it's a more accurate measurement. This dress, I don't know what to do with. I made this a couple of years ago. There's a video for it as well. And when I made it, I thought it was the cutest thing. But now I'm kind of like, ooh, daisies, stripes. The pattern I like, and it's comfortable, but I don't really want to wear it again. So I gotta decide what to do with this. I have not been able to sell any handmade items on Poshmark. What's this? These are some shorts of Kate's that I gotta ask her what they're here for. And a swimsuit I was also gonna post. So I asked Kate about this. And then I have some mending stuff right here. This is a skirt that I got a while ago that's too small for me, so I put like a patch of black just in here to extend it out. And it worked fine, but it's a really cute skirt and I still want to wear it. I think I can do a better job of redoing this waistband, and I don't want it to be so long because it's like to my knees now. We're gonna remake this at some point. Let's see what else. This is a friend's jacket, skirts. Ooh, I wonder if this fits me right now. We're gonna take that inside and see. I've been looking for this dress for ages. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Okay, I wore this once on a date with Kyle, and I did not like these little straps here. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna take them out. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I found this. I'm so excited. Oh, it's so pretty. It's this kind of mint green eyelet lace, off the shoulder, 50s style. I still wear a 50s style dress from time to time. Oh my gosh, happy day. I'm so glad we decided to clean. So all of this needs to go over in the mending area, but I don't know if I have room for it over there. It might just be kind of out in the open, and I don't like that. So we're gonna have to jump on this mending project soon. Okay, I have my patchwork dress, which I made a while ago. This is all in good shape except for the zipper in the back. The inner stitching has come undone, so the lining is not attached anymore. That will be an easy fix. I just need to do it. And then this is a dress I made for Easter years ago on the channel as well, and it's super cute, but it doesn't fit me, and I thought maybe I could reuse the fabric, so I'm gonna be putting out a alteration video pretty soon where I just go through and do all of these. So keep your eyes open for that. Okay, give me a minute to shuffle and then I'll show you what this corner is looking like. You can see the floor. You can see the floor. Well, fam, I made it worse. It's been a minute. I've been putting off finishing up this cleaning job for a real long time. And I did do some little craft projects while I was putting everything off, so everything is kind of a mess again. I've been watching this girl on TikTok. I don't remember her username. I'll put it right up here. But she does this series where she helps her friends, or she'll do something where she's been procrastinating and sees how long it actually takes her to get it all done. And I think I'm going to try and use that philosophy with cleaning up today because I am tired of looking at this. So let's see how long this actually takes for me to clean. I'm going to put on a timer and I'll let you know when I'm done. And then I would really like to do some sewing today because I have not been coming up here to sew because it's been so messy. I'm gonna check back in with you in a bit after I have done this cleaning. Since that last clip I filmed and I got really sick that day, forgot to take my medication, but now I wanted to show you what the room looks up now that I've finished tidying up. I really have to get started on another project soon, so I should vacuum, but I'm not gonna do that right now. Let me give you a little tour. So we have the floor all cleared, which is great. This is the to be mended, to be sold pile. Couch is clear. We've just sort of stacked everything nicely in this corner. It's not all spread out like it used to be. This is my water bottle for today. And then we have the sewing machine. The serger is right there. There's me, hello. Fabric for tote bags and scrunchies, my dress form, my camera stand, and then the TV. I don't know if this is the biggest improvement, but it's definitely less all over the place than it was before. I'm gonna get started on my next project, and I hope to see you real soon. If you like this video, feel free to give it a like, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Be brave and do your best. Alright, bye!